Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to use split-screen multitasking on the Google Pixel 6a. If you want to use two apps at the same time, this is for you. To get started, all we need to do is tap the three lines next to the home button. Once we tap that, the screen will look like this. We can see all the open apps. From here, just tap the small icon at the top of the app you want to use. A small menu will appear with a few options, including App Info, Open in Split Screen View, Open in Pop-up View, and Keep Open. To use Split Screen, tap Open in Split Screen View, and it will load right away, just like this. Now we have one app on the top half of the screen and the home screen on the bottom. We can then choose a second app to fill the bottom half. This lets us keep two apps open and visible at the same time. We can also adjust the split screen layout by dragging the divider up or down. This makes it easy to give more space to the app we are focusing on. We can also switch between the two apps smoothly without closing either one. And that is how we use split screen multitasking on the Google Pixel 6a.